everybody, my name is Kashmir Sharma from class 2C and today I am going to make healthy veggie sandwich. It is my easiest homework. So let's begin. First, I will add some sweet corn. First we have some sweet corn, some tomatoes, some cucumbers and paneer. Paneer is good for health and have lot of protein. And some onion. We have some salt, some chaat masala and mayonnaise and brown bread. So let's begin. First I love corn. That's why I am also using corns. Then we will put all the vegetables which we have collected. Add this much salt. Then you can add some chili, but I don't like chili, so I'm not adding chili. Then we will add some chaat masala. If you want, so you can also add. If you want, so you can add more, but this much will be good. Then we will add mayonnaise. Now we will mix it evenly. Chili, I eat very little. That's why I'm adding very little. Then we will fill this mixture in the bread and spread it. Now we will put the bread on it. Then we will keep it into sandwich maker. And then we press it and close it. Then we will put the plug. The veggie sandwich is ready. Now my healthy paneer sandwich is